Welcome to SMS Local, your go-to platform for bulk messaging and campaigns. Let's get you started. Log into your SMS Local account by entering your email and password, then click Sign In to access your dashboard. To send messages, top up your wallet by clicking the wallet icon, selecting Buy Now, and entering the USD amount. Pay with your credit debit card or PayPal. Enter your details, confirm, and your wallet will be credited instantly. Go to the dashboard, click Campaigns, then select Create New Campaign to set up your message and recipients. Fill in the campaign name, sender ID, and the message content you want to send. Now it's time to add contacts to your campaign. You can create a new group by clicking Create New Group under Contacts, and then manually add contacts or import them from a file. Once your contacts are ready, add them to your campaign group, and you're all set to reach out. To save time and maintain consistency, you can create and use message templates. Head to the Templates section, click Create New Template, and enter a name and description. Once your template is ready, simply select it for your campaign. Your message content will autofill. This saves time, especially when managing multiple campaigns. Your campaign is ready. Click Send to instantly deliver your message to all contacts in your group. After sending your campaign, you'll be redirected to your dashboard to check your balance, income, and credit limit. Create and send SMS campaigns easily with SMS Local. Manage contacts, payments, and messages in one place.